Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install custom content for The Sims 4 step by step. First, open The Sims 4. Go to the game options, then to the other tab. Here you will see two options: enable custom content and mods, and also enable script mods. Make sure both boxes are checked. Then restart the game so the changes take effect. Next, let's download some custom content. Open Google and search for Sims 4 custom content. Choose a trusted site and download a piece of custom content you like. Usually the file will be in a zip or RAR format. Once it is downloaded, go to your Documents folder on your computer. Open Electronic Arts, then open the Sims 4 folder. Inside, you will see a folder called Mods. This is where you place all the downloaded content. If the file is zipped, right-click and extract it. Then move the package files into the Mods folder. Now open The Sims 4 again. Go into the game options and make sure custom content and mods are still enabled. You will see a list of installed mods when the game starts. That's it. You have downloaded and installed custom content for The Sims 4. Thanks for watching.